I got blocked by Jake Paul. I got blocked by Jake Paul. And the weird thing is, I didn't even say anything bad. All I said was, hey Jake Paul, I keep dabbing on my haters, just like you told me. But sometimes they dab back. What do I do, Jake? Please hurry, I'm scared. Is that really worth a block, Mr. Paul? And also, if you blocked me, wouldn't that make you the hater? Good night, sweet prince.